If you are looking for a cloud hosting platform for your website or web app, you have probably come across Netlify and Render. Both are popular choices, but they are designed for slightly different needs. In this video, I'll compare their features, pricing, performance, and help you decide which one is right for you. What is Netlify? Netlify is a cloud platform built mainly for hosting static websites and modern front-end frameworks like React, Next.js, Astro, and Vue. It offers one-click deployments from GitHub, a global CDN, serverless functions, and built-in CI/CD, making it a favorite for front-end developers. What is Render? Render is more complete cloud hosting platform. Besides static sites, it can host full stack web applications, APIs, databases, background workers, Docker containers, and cron jobs. It's a great option if your project requires both front end and back end hosting. Feature comparison. Netlify shines when it comes to static websites. It offers fast deployments, automatic previews, edge functions, and excellent developer tools. Render focuses on flexibility. It supports multiple programming languages, including Node.js, Python, Go, Ruby, Java, Rust, and PHP. It also provides managed PostgreSQL databases and private networking, making it suitable for production applications. Performance. Both platforms offer reliable performance. Netlify delivers static content through its global CDN, making websites extremely fast worldwide. Render performs well for dynamic applications, although services may experience startup delays on free plans due to inactivity. Pricing. Both platforms offer free plans. Netlify's free tier is ideal for personal projects, portfolios, and small websites. Paid plans start at around $19 per user per month, adding higher usage limits and team collaboration features. Render also offers a free plan for testing and small projects. Paid web services start at around $7 per month, while databases and additional services are priced separately based on your usage. Which should you choose? Choose Netlify if you are building static websites, landing pages, blogs, or front-end applications and want the fastest and simplest deployment experience. Choose Render if you are deploying full-stack applications, REST APIs, back-end services, databases, or Docker containers and need everything hosted in one place. Conclusion. Overall, Netlify is the better choice for front-end hosting and static sites, while Render is the better all-in-one cloud platform for modern full-stack applications. The right choice depends on the type of project you are building. If you found this comparison helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.